Welcome to this quick demo. SearchExpress provides cloud document management and AI to eliminate paper and automate business processes. SearchExpress Document Workflow routes documents to the people who need to approve or work on documents. SearchExpress uses artificial intelligence to replace manual data entry. SearchExpress, for example, can use AI to extract data from invoices, receipts, contracts, lending documents, procurement documents, insurance, and tax documents with no AI training needed. You can scan paper documents or import documents directly from your email. When scanning or importing documents, you can let SearchExpress use artificial intelligence to populate the fields in the document. Fields in this case being like vendor name, purchase order, invoice ID, invoice date, vendor address, and even the line items on the invoice. And all this data can be passed to your, if it's invoices, to your accounts payables or ERP system. Also, we can take the image and data into your ERP system. Say, for example, for QuickBooks, we can write the invoice image to QuickBooks Online. Now also you can import email documents without having to print and scan them. You just say click import email. This links to your corporate email or Office 365, or in this case it's Gmail. You just select the document, one or more invoices you want to import, and you're just reading the invoice. In this case it's an invoice directly from your email, and then as before, if you want to, you can let SearchExpress populate the data using AI. Now, you can also, for high volume, if you're scanning hundreds of documents at a time, you can let that AI data entry population go on behind the scenes. So in that case, you don't wait on it. You just scan as fast as you can or import emails as fast as you can. And then you go to another part of our product we call browser data entry. And you would look at the results of the AI and browser data entry. So you just go to, say, if you're like Sierra Lewis, you say, well, here's in this case, invoice is sent to me. Here's the data that's been entered by artificial intelligence. You can kind of double check it. Now also we have workflow, and that lets you say, this case, the document's been sent to Sierra Lewis and then accounts payable, and then to, in this case, QuickBooks Online, after Sierra Lewis and accounts payable have approved it. But we can also work with Sage and other Microsoft Dynamics and other ERP software. But the person that you send the document to, when you're capturing it, you specify to whom you send it to, that person can get an email and see there's a document to approve or work on, or they can use the SearchExpress app, smartphone app, to look at the document, approve it, or they can use the what we call the SearchExpress dashboard, which is what we see here, and they can go to say it's Sierra Lewis. She can see the documents that have been sent to her for approval. Then she can just click to approve the document or reject it, or if you wanted to, she can click edit, in which case she can do some work on the document. For example, she could put in a cost code, the general ledger number to expense or capitalize the document to, a cost code amount. And then she could say update and approve, and now the document's sent to the next person to work on or approve. In this case, the next person being accounts payable. So then accounts payable can look at the documents and see, well, here's the document just approved by Sierra Lewis at 1:37 p.m. And then so now accounts payable could approve the document, or maybe they want to annotate, write directly on the image before they approve it. So in this case, they could maybe choose a pen color of red and draw on the document, say, and then we'll draw attention to something, or maybe make a note. On unit damage, and so then this would be on the document. Then you approve the document, but now you approved it, but also have made some notes directly on the image, so the next person that sees this in the approval chain, or the next or person that brings it up 3 months later, look at it whenever it is, they'll see the notes you've made to the image itself. Now also you can search on documents. You can search documents by putting in any word or phrase on the document. So maybe something, a line item like copier paper. Do a search and then view the document. You can also see the document if it's according to which ERP software you use, but you can either in your ERP software highlight, say, what you want to search on, the employee name or invoice number, and view the document directly from there, or if it's cases, some documents like QuickBooks, you could in the case of QuickBooks, you can see your invoice. See, the SearchExpress can write the invoice data directly to QuickBooks, and including the line items and the vendor name and the date due and all that. So it saves you entering the data into QuickBooks, and also you can click to view the image that you imported from your email or scanned in SearchExpress. And SearchExpress works for not just paper documents, but Word files, Excel files, etc. Video, audio, lets you workflow them, index them, route them for approval, search them. And then we have these, I mentioned briefly, we have these apps, so you can do like use an app to search from your phone. You can use an app to approve documents from your smartphone. And like reject to approve. You can use an app. We have another app to capture documents from your phone. Say this could be receipts maybe. But anyway, so a product, SearchExpress Document Management, lets you, it's available on premises and cloud versions, and provides document management and AI. Thank you for your time.